igama lami ngisinikiwe yabo i-artist yalapha eTumakala specialize in graffiti ne-portraits. Umuntu ofuna uzodwa makaze kum yabo ngoku ndizawubetha freestyle nje lapha kum at the top of my head yabo. Okay, we was supposed to be, but it was never meant to be. How come you never feel me when you left the memories? How come you never dig it till again to get a P? Now hear my voice is me, damn I'm sounding loud and clear. You know it's sort up in heat, ain't no need for the fear. But while again key, during the month of February, we're gonna eat with strawberries, sipping daiquiris. So baby, where's my February? All I'm running on my rock, got to know it's Milosaka. I come to need mama waka, come to need dada wake. Was tele lang wake, what younger indo yake. Was tenge lang wake, see a food in Chomizake. Was she yaka lake, tengi sumzima wake. So baby, walake, lam filemi, kambalake. I say to all of humankind, you gotta listen to the sound. Stay here, my child. Don't you ever get behind, cause you can free your mind if you listen to the sound. Come on, listen to the sound, yeah. Listen to the sound, you better listen to the sound. I say, all of humankind, you gotta listen to the sound, yeah. A rapper entities, yo, it mean entities. Who are you, the judges? Rapper, can you judge this?
Who are you to judge this?